Good morning, guys. I left the jelly to set overnight and it's still running this morning, so it looks like it works. Yep, it's set and we've still got time on it, so we will play back the time lapse. Well, there's no point actually, because if it's still running and it's set, the purpose of the time lapse was to capture the instance it stopped working, and it didn't. It carried on. So nice one, Becky. So the time lapse was a waste of time because it's carried on working with no trouble. I thought we'd just do a close-up. We can see that the magnesium has got bubbles now set. Can we focus on it? It's got bubbles now set into the jelly. Nothing on the copper, because the copper doesn't bubble. But the magnesium, that's where the bubbles form. Probably hydrogen bubbles. And yeah, they're now set into the jelly. Which is set. It wobbles, but it's set. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.